Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now. Approach the kiosk with passport or ID and your confirmation code. Have any visas handy. Tap the screen, choose your language, and scan your passport or type your last name. This links you to the reservation. Once your flight appears, confirm it and select a seat if available. Make sure the boarding time matches your plan. If you'll check bags, enter the number and prepay fees at the kiosk to save time at the counter. Once done with basics, verify each passenger's details and add a frequent flyer number or special requests like wheelchair assistance. This ensures correct records. Next, follow prompts to enter baggage count, then weigh and pay. Use card or mobile wallet at the kiosk for faster processing. Make sure the receipt and bag tags print clearly. The kiosk will show step-by-step how to attach tags to handles. Before moving away, double-check gate and boarding time shown on the pass. You finish by firmly attaching the printed bag tags to each suitcase handle and keeping the receipt. This proves your drop-off. Then proceed to the designated bag drop belt or hand luggage to an agent. Follow staff directions to ensure proper routing. If the kiosk fails to print, restart the check-in using the on-screen option, try the airline app, or flag an agent immediately. Keep calm and explain the issue so staff.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.